Sweden's GDP has grown significantly since the 1950s. In 1950, its GDP was $12.5 billion. By 2023, it had grown to $563.4 billion. This growth has been driven by a number of factors, including strong economic growth, a focus on innovation and technology, and a commitment to social justice. But inflation not taken into consideration, to be clear. Their GDP is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. By 2030, it is projected to reach $720 billion. This growth will be driven by continued investment in innovation and technology, as well as an aging population that will require more healthcare services. Did you know that Sweden's GDP per capita is one of the highest in the world? In 2023, it was $55,750. We would like to know your opinion about this, so please share your thoughts in the comment section below. And for all of you who didn't yet, don't forget to subscribe if you find this video insightful. Until next time.